8/27/2022 is a part 2 of dental floss serving and repairing. Split main serve. Got split main serve, got some wear on it. Already got the video starting out here. So now we're just going to keep on going to the other side. And like I said, I hope we have enough material here to make it across. If not, I'll have to come back from the other side. But you see how I'm using this little string right here? I figured this out. It's the first crossbow string I've ever done. I've done this on a lot of bow strings. Hey man, if you get extra 500,000 shots, 1,500 extra shots just from doing a little work instead of having to buy a new string, I guess it all depends on how much shooting you do. We're just going to keep on wrapping on this one. Like I said, hopefully we got enough. It don't look like we're going to have enough. But yeah, I'm using my tag, my pullback string, whatever you want to call it, to actually run the serve tight. And I'm almost out of that area right there, so that'll be nice. Boy, it's going to be close. Don't you fall off my coffee can. So I'm almost to the split part, which I plan on filling up if I can get there without running out of. We're going to get there. And what this will do right here with this split area is it's going to fill in the gaps where it's already split. And we're going to keep on going here. Like I said, I hope we don't run out of material. We're going to exasperate that split. Okay, now we're going to make our little loop. Like I said, I'm really low on material. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now, here's where you ease up on being tight. You don't want to be all that tight. That was 3. We'll go 4. And I'm not pulling on it real hard. We'll go 5. And then we're going to throw it down that loop right there. We're going to grab the tag line and we're going to pull it right up underneath there. Might have should have used 6 on it. Went through pretty easy. But I think you'll be alright. Now, that dental floss will keep the serve from slipping any more in that area. It should anyway, especially since it's split right here where your cock handle pull thing pulls up on it so you can cock your bow. That's what I'm after right there, is to stop that serve from spreading. So it's wanting to spread out this way. So I may get me another piece and go ahead and tighten it up on this right here. And I may go over here and tighten up the end of this one here. But this is the basic idea. Now this will start fluffing and fraying just like your regular serve does. It'll get a little fluffy and a little fray, and you can remove it. You can gently figure out a way, but it generally lasts as long as the regular serve. That's what I did, was I just renewed my shooting cocking area on that string, or on that serve right there. So I don't have to go buy me a new string because my serve's spreading. I'm going to stop my serve from spreading with that dental floss. And it's the same thing when you make a dental floss knock. You know, you run down your serve a little bit, get to your mark, build it up, maybe come back a little bit, make your loop, 5, 6, 7 little wraps, not super tight, pull it back under. You got the makings of one top knock. Now if you want 2 knocks, you just mark where your arrow width is and make you another little dental floss knock below it. Dental floss knocks are lightweight, so they don't add a lot of weight to your string like a little copper or a brass squeeze knock. Those things suck. Anyway, God bless from the 405. We're getting ready for bow season.